Hello students, class 12. Today chapter 2 Lost Spring. In your book Flamingo by Annie's Jung. Annie's Jung was a lady writer and she born in Rourkela and she had received her education adolescence time in Hyderabad and after that America. And her parents, mother and father, both were writers. Okay, and she has realized what is the condition, what is the problem of the children's adolescence time and what is the problem of their childhood days. She have expresses in this chapter. Okay, lost spring means taken from the chapter means stories of stolen childhood, means whatever childhood she has stolen, means she has written about it, means those children have not uses their childhood properly, their childhood days enjoyment excitement being stolen by the society because means they not able to get their education and proper nourishment in their adolescence age. Okay, so in this chapter she have expresses about these problems. Two stories given there. First one was a garbage picker boy whose name was Sahbe Alam. Let's start. Okay, Sahbe Alam have means this statement of Sahbe Alam's. Sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. Means his father's occupation was rag picking. They were also rag pickers, and that time Sahibe Alam's mind also came these things because a lots of people thrown their some useful things also in their garbages sometimes, and Sahibe Alam got sometimes a rupees, some gold, silvers, and some usable things in garbages. So they have excitement for the rag picking and garbage picking because they have means greediness, they will must get anything in that garbages. Okay, so Sahibe Alam had also replied when Anis Jung means authoress has asked to Sahibe Alam why you are means doing this work, it is not good for the children's. That time he had means replied means sometimes I find rupee, some gold, some things in garbages. So okay, after some time she has asked to Sahibe Alam why you are not going to school. That time just sudden he had replied, in my village have no any school where I will go for the study. And he had also demanded to Anis Jung that means if you will open any school, I must will get education. And after some days he had asked to Anis Jung again, means when you will open the school, means because I will go in school for getting education. But Anis Jung have no answer for that. After that, Sahibe Alam had decided for doing a job on a tea stall. On that tea stall means 800 rupees he was getting his salary, but he was bounded there. So means he have no interest for doing that work on that stall. Okay, even he was getting 2 times meals also there, but means rag picker's work is very freely, he can go anywhere for the picking rag picking for the garbages, but that time he was bounded for working that tea stall. So he also have no interest for doing that job. Okay, and one time means Anis Jung has asked some villagers means boys why you are not wearing shoes. That time they had replied that my mother is not giving it, she have written the shoes and all the sandals chappals on the shelf, means she was not giving that for using daily base, those shoes and their sandals and their chappals. Okay, means it is luxurious for them. And a priest also was there in this story, and his boy also was getting education, and he was wearing proper dress and getting everything. But the condition of poor people of village was very worse, and lack of education, children's futures also going to loss. Okay. Second story in this same chapter, she have taken about the Firozabad and what is the condition of bangle makers in Firozabad, and a boy whose name was Mukesh. His life and his autobiography things she had taken. Means in Firozabad, children's life in danger also, because means children's also want to do much more their forefathers occupation, whatever their forefathers were doing, they want to do because they have only idea about it. But if anyone want to do anything different, that time that person have, that boy have no facility available there, and it's due to politicians, due to rich and prosperous peoples also, because they have no attention for their welfare also. Okay, so let's start. It is a story, it is the statement, I want to drive a car. This statement of a boy Mukesh who lived in Firozabad. He want to be his own master, and he want to be a motor mechanic. Okay, and he want to give up that job of bangle makings because he have no interest for it. But means no any facility available there, and his means road also a long distance very far from that place, and no any vehicles was running, car motor cars means four wheelers not were running as fast there. Okay, means Mukesh, a boy, his family's conditions he have explained in this chapter also. They were also very poor and unable to fulfill their basic needs. Means his grandfather also there, and his grandmother, she has explained one place, and means his mother also, means they were unable to get proper meal a day. Means this type of poorness, and they were very poor persons, but they pressurized to do their work bangle making. Okay, and due to this work, because this work was near to furnace, near to fire and glass works, so their eyes also being affected in their younghood age. A lot of children also lost their eyesight in their adolescence age, and they have no proper facility for education, for getting new directions of the job, and a lot of things they were unable to get. Okay, but Mukesh have firmly decided to become a motor mechanic. Okay, and this occupation he want to do. In this way, the both stories Annie's Jung have taken in this chapter, The Lost Spring, because she want to express that means adolescence is the age group of a person, a boy in his life, as the spring season, because it is the peak season, it is the top season of life. Adolescence, it's for the enjoyment, and it's for the making decision for the future. But if that time anyone have no facility, no idea, that time their future also may be worse. She want to express, she want to send the message about it, and by this chapter. And she has expresses also about the Seema Puri, because a lot of persons also came there from Dhaka, and those persons have no their own resistance, they were living there anyway. Means in India a lot of foreigners also living, but peoples have no any means and politicians have no any means decision for taking against to them or favoring them. Means everything is running means anyhow in our country. Okay, so means our spring season, peak season, we have to use properly, and we have to take decision according to it. And governments also should be care about the adolescent child who was making the plan for the future. So primary education is very important, and it is running also till class 8. Okay, thanks.